Do you know that the most common, one of the fastest ways to build wealth and freedom is through a business? Entrepreneurship. I love entrepreneurship. And throughout the history of our planet, people have been offering value to the marketplace in exchange for currency. It's not always been money as we know it to be today, but this is this exchange, and that's what money is. It is a value exchange. And one of the fastest and most common tried and true ways to start your wealth journey is by building a business, becoming an entrepreneur. So whether you've already danced in this space or you've been thinking about it, now is the perfect time. We are moving into very different times on this planet where we are going to be seeing a lot more consciousness, Christ consciousness, coming into the business space. So if you are spiritual and you have hesitated to build wealth through a business because you feel like you can't be rich and you can't be spiritual, then firstly, that was never actually the case. That was a construct of the mind. It was a belief that you bought into, because everything is a belief, everything is a story, everything is perception. But now more than ever, we have the future that is going to be not just created, but determined by the conscious entrepreneurs, the spiritual people, those who are the change makers, who are going to make a positive difference for humanity and lead the way into the new earth paradigm, which is so exciting. So if you're a little bit confused by this space, because let's face it, it can be very complicated, it can be really overwhelming, and there's so many different options and decisions and choices. Where do you start? Well, start by identifying what brings you joy. Follow your bliss. What are you passionate about? Because whatever you are passionate about, it's going to really fuel your success. Just think about when you would have had a job, no doubt, that you didn't like. How did that feel? Well, if you start a business that you don't like, it's going to be even more intense because you're the one doing almost everything, particularly in the beginning. And if you don't want to show up, it's all on you. And your ability to really throw yourself into the entrepreneurial journey is going to be severely compromised. So think about what you're passionate about, what's your bliss, what brings you joy. Always create from joy, because that is so much more sustainable. A business that is founded in joy and in passion is much more sustainable. Now, not all your passions are going to make you super wealthy, so you've got to really sit down and think this through. And the other thing is to look at your superpowers. What is your core genius? What do you play at that other people have to work at? And what are you deeply interested in? What skill sets have you developed over your lifetime? What knowledge have you acquired? What's your experience? What's your expertise? What are your gifts and talents? And you package that up to offer value through either a product or a service to a marketplace. And you solve problems for a profit. That's all entrepreneurship is. Don't overcomplicate it. Entrepreneurship is solving problems for a profit. That's it. So get excited, because this is where your journey starts. Now, if you would like help with any of this, because it can be a bit overwhelming, then register for my free workshop, Wealth by Design, where I'm actually going to take you through a step-by-step framework. It is a workshop, so I will get you to ultimately build your own unique action plan, not just to get you started, but to get you on the fast track for go from where you are to where you want to be, and to build wealth through a business that you love, that feeds your soul, and that makes a positive impact in the world. So if you would like that, check out the link that is in the description below. If you have enjoyed this, then do me a favor, show me some love, like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know how this landed for you. Let me know what you are going to pursue to create wealth doing something that feeds your soul. The only limits are the ones that you buy into. And if you would like help to clear out some of these gremlins up here, then you can check out this EFT tapping video. It's going to help to rewire your brain for money, wealth, abundance, and success. You are going to love it. I'll see you in that video next.